26th Saturday, we are going to witness the decision-making match that is between Campion and Loyola. So they are already on the ground. We have linesman Masi sir, Tushar sir, that we are going to play the match with full dedication. And I see the historic match has begun. And we see today Campion House is taking up the ball. We have Asanuj taking up the ball. Loyola House members also not leaving the ball. The full support. I see all the students encouraging their teammates. We can see the teachers, the medical team, they are after Costa House members. This side, to my right, we have Brito House. Vivek sir, later today.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Vivek.
It's a fine day for a very important match of the tournament. Now able to kick the ball and doing what they do the best for the team. And it's early pressure from Campion House. Can the Loyola House defenders be able to defend? So you can see the continuous pressure being created by the Campion. But that was good interception by the defender of Loyola House. So referee's whistle already blew. And the credit goes to the captain and the vice captain of the respective house. Loyola defenders also are dealing with it, as they have some experienced defenders playing more likely as attacking midfielder. In footballing term, we call it the low block player. He has the liberty or the license. I want to tell the youngsters, the beginners, kindly you have to know your role and your position so that you can
Informations for the audience if they are there in life. Now we can see waiting for the decision. They are waiting for the goal, and let's see who makes through it. That was a good pass by Rauzan. We see Rauzan. Yes.
Ball is with Rauzan. Let's see. Yeah,
He's playing with the Campion House members, it seems. Trying to tackle, trick them. Again, it is with Loyola House, with Campion House. Okay, so nobody is giving up. Okay, that was just a kick.
Yeah, the
That
kick
was
is
a
good.
kick.
Good kick
Long
given by
kick.
Ashanu's long kick. The ball is with Loyola House.
Ashish.
Again, ball goes to so
Are on the ground, they compete with each other, and that is
the best part of this.
the best part of this. Yesterday, they are the friends were on the ground, but they played in such a way. Yeah, we have Captain Fantastic Salman here. After the winning game, he is relaxing in front of the commentators.
And somewhat he has become a protective layer of us.
Yeah, thank you Salman.
करेंगे हम भी और वो भी, देखते हैं क्या हो सकता है. क्या मैम? थोड़ा बहुत
भारी पड़ रहा है लोयला के लिए, बट लोयला भी कम नहीं है.
हम किस
That is one of the rules, and the players need to follow. whatever changes is to be done outside the field. It's a request to the players, follow the norms, follow the rules.
Again, the ball is with Ashanus, but he has to see where the ball has to be passed. That is handball.
Side. And the chance ball to the campaign house once again. That is a good chip ball by the captain of the team. And there the defender of Loyola was like a wall. And he was, I think, Jaideep.
Oh my God, what is happening there?
Oh, captain of the team, Tariq Kohli is going to take the free kick. But that is not a good free kick, I can say.
As Vivek sir is highly experienced, that was not a good free kick, isn't it, sir?
But not able to control the ball. Sakib with the run, and that is a good ball for Ashif. That was not stopped by the goalkeeper, but they were lucky. So that is a good kick by Krishna, but blocked by the defender of Loyola. So far, still the ball is in their yard. Campaign House attackers are constantly giving pressure. Campaign House attackers are asking questions. Air ball, not able to clear properly. Now he can.
Reverse kick was seen by Ashanus Zama. That was fantastic.
Yeah, खिलाड़ियों से अनुरोध है कि कृपया गोल दिखाएं.
दर्शक बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं आप लोगों का गोल देखने के लिए. Oh my God!
This tournament, the main referee, Mr. Praveen, is having an emerald eye and very precise. This shows the class and experience of the referee. And for your kind information to all the students, our referee, Mr. Praveen sir, is himself a state level player. He has represented Jharkhand state in the regional tournaments held at Dhanbad and Ranchi back in 2015 or 16 most probably. Yes, a decade ago. That time we used to go combine Jharkhand and Bihar, and in the year 2017 we are the champions. And most of the players were selected from Sahibganj district, St. James Sahibganj. And some of the players were from St. Joseph's Bhagalpur and Dinoboli Dhanbad. The score was 1-0, and that time the captain of the team was from Dinoboli Dhanbad. I still remember his name. His name is Satyajit Rai, and at present he is in UK. He has organized these sort of tournaments are very, very important for the learning curves of the players. Because you need the captain announcing that in this tournament also.
It's a free kick, and it seems it has been wasted.
सुनहरा मौका गंवाया गया आशीष हाजदा से.
Asis Hasda, that was a very good try. Loyola House and Campion House, I don't know what they have. They are not able to execute. This is the thing that is being reflected on the match, on the ground. We have Masi sir here as linesman and Tushar sir. And I always see them convert it into a goal or not. We are waiting, and that it is saved by Cap.
का मार देना चाहिए,
सही बात।
बट यहाँ पर लोयला हाउस की तरफ से मौका को गंवाया गया। इसका फ़ायदा आशनुस जमात जरूर उठाएंगे। ये हम लोगों को पता है, बहुत ही चतुर कप्तान माने जाते हैं अपने टीम के, चालाक कप्तान।
Of his house members, and it has been reflected in the sports event also.
This is the first corner in the second half, and that is a deadly ball inside the box. That is 50-50 ball. And that is a good take by Asanus, the captain of Campaign House, and able to pass to Krishna Rai. Krishna Rai on the wing, and can he able to cross? No, that is a very ambitious shot. It was constantly guiding the team. So that is clear offside. Okay, the free kick taken very quickly by the captain of the team, Campaign. And again the ball returned in their own half and not able to clear. And that is a wild kick by Great Win of Loyola House. That is neither a pass nor a shot by Gaurav of Loyola House.
Okay.
Now over the head, can the goalkeeper? Yes, goalkeeper is able to clear. And think the name of the goalkeeper. The players are not communicating with each other, and you cannot score. Only by kicking or by dribbling you cannot win a game. You have to score, and for that constant communication, coordination, cooperation very much needed. Peterson with the clear. Saeed got the ball but not able to cross. Now good pass by Gaurav. Line where they are standing. So that's why it is offside. Now the other end, and goalkeeper is very agile. I can say the goal. Mohammad Asif with the ball. Asif with the shot. And that was a good take by Mukund. That was on target by Asis Hasda. Very good clear by Gaurav of Loyola House. Okay, once again ball is in the half of Loyola. So Asanus is playing like a wall for the Campaign House. He's not letting it go, not even an inch. So this shows that how tough he is as a player. That is a good pass by Tarekul, and Roshan able to convert something and quickly taken. Luckily, the ball went straight to the goalkeeper of Loyola House. Now once again Mukund. Yes, that is a good awareness by Mukund. That is shootouts.
Good.
That is a good take by Savan. That is a very harsh tackle.
Oof.
And that is a clean tackle. So it's a mixture of both technicality and physicality by the players of Campaign House. So handball with the ball. Now great win with the clear of the aerial rope. Now Krishna can. That is a good shot as well as is not good for the team. And good corner kick taken. Season which half limited. So I request the players not to leave.